Hi, welcome to another screencast video of AlgoDocs. Today I will walk you through extracting data from invoices using AlgoDocs. Here is the sample invoice we will be processing. To proceed, log into your account and click on the Extractors tab to create a new extractor. You will notice on the right side of the Extractor tab a populated option to create a new extractor. Click on the Create option and select Custom, then go ahead and name your extractor. Upload the sample PDF file. Then click on Create Extractor. Now you can see your extractor below the extractors list. Next, click on the Manage tab and you will be taken to the Extractor Editor page. Click on the Add button to see the extraction methods available to choose from. For this document, we will be using the Field to Text option under the rule-based extraction to capture our build a field. Upon selecting our preferred extraction method, we can preview the sample document. You can use your cursor to drag and select the sample area you wish to capture. Then click Continue at the top left corner of the editor. Now you can see the raw data captured from the selected area. The Add Filters option gives us additional tools to further process the data. With the Crop Text filter, we can specify the desired beginning and end of the data we want to capture. With Specify Start Position, we can select a keyword which our text will begin after. Also, we can use the Specify End Position to instruct our filter to end the captured data before a specific text or character. If you wish, you can remove empty lines using the Format Text filter. You can also remove line breaks to keep the captured text in one line. The Format Text filter also gives you the option to remove blank spaces. Once satisfied with the captured data, you can save. Click the Add button to add new fields or tables. We will be using the table extraction method under the AI-based extraction. After previewing the document, click on Continue. The AI engine takes a few seconds to process the document. We can keep our tables by any criteria of choice. For this document, we will be using the number of columns. We can further process our table data by using the Keep Rows filter to keep rows where column 1 has digits only. This removes the column headers. With that done, we can save and exit the editor. To view the extracted data, click on the Extracted Data tab and select the designated extractor. You can see the extracted bill to field and table. At the right corner of the extracted data, you can see the options to export your extracted data to Excel, JSON, or XML. We select Excel. And here's our extracted data in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this guide and you continue to use the features that AlgoDocs offers. Remember, you can always send your questions or support requests to support@algodocs.com, and we will give you a quick response.